In this video, we're going to be introducing the newest version, v4, of the SparkFun Inventor's Kit, also known as the SIK. We've made a lot of changes and we want to show you what's changed in this version compared to previous. We want to give you a sneak peek at the projects that you'll be able to build in this new project-based learning method. We've also incorporated tons of user feedback we've received over the years to make this the best version of the SIK yet. Let's dive in and see what's inside. For the SIK v4, we took an entirely different approach to teaching embedded electronics. In the previous versions of the SIK, each circuit focused on introducing a new piece of technology. In this version, components are lumped together to give them more context, and there is more progression, with each circuit building upon the last, leading up to a project that incorporates all the components and concepts recently introduced. As an example, let's walk through the first project. In Circuit 1A, the first circuit in Project 1, we begin with the classic blink circuit in Sketch, which introduces LEDs and resistors. In the following circuit, Circuit 1B, the user will learn about potentiometers and inputs and change the rate of the blink. In the third circuit, a photoresistor and voltage divider circuit are introduced, creating a simple nightlight. Last, the nightlight is improved upon by replacing the LED with an RGB LED and incorporating the potentiometer back into the circuit. Looking inside the print guide for SIK v4, you'll see that it has undergone a complete redesign. Circuits have been broken up into projects, and each circuit builds upon the previous as you progress through each project. Teachers will find this especially useful as projects can be taught as units in the classroom and can be broken up into several days or even weeks worth of material depending on how in-depth the class may be. More information about components and concepts has been included to help each and every user understand not only how to build the program and circuit, but why it is behaving the way it is. We have also provided coding challenges to increase the difficulty for users who really want to push themselves further. These challenges provide suggestions for how to change the code or modify the circuit to change or improve the way the circuit functions. The new print guide will be spiral bound, a feature that has long been requested. The users can now observe the circuit diagrams and tables hassle-free as they get hands-on breadboarding circuits. Here's a sneak peek at the other projects that could be built with the SIK v4. Project 2 is the always fun Simon Says game, which is a memory game using buttons and buzzers. Project 3 is a motion detecting alarm. Learning about servo motors and distance sensors is the main focus in this series of circuits. Project 4 is a spin-off of the popular Headbands game or the Heads Up app, titled DIY Who Am I? This project highlights using an LCD to display all variety of information. Last, one of the most exciting new additions is the incorporation of robotics in Project 5. Users will first learn how to control motors using a motor driver board. Then they will get to unleash their own autonomous robot on the world. Now let's take a look at what parts and components are included in SIK v4 and what differences you'll find between this version and the last. New parts include an ultrasonic distance sensor, which measures distance and can be used as a motion detector, a single pole dual throw switch which can be used as a power switch to control your projects, a 2-channel 1-amp motor driver. Each channel can be driven independently with only a few pins, 2 DC gear motor boxes. These motors are much more suited for electronics projects and have geared down hubs to which wheels and other pieces can attach. 2 large wheels with rubber tires are also included, and they fit nicely on the hubs of the motors. To make your projects more portable, we've included a 4AA battery holder. The barrel jack on the holder fits into the barrel jack on the red board, making it easy to power on the go. Please note that batteries are not included. One of the simplest yet most effective new additions to the kit is a strip of 3M dual lock. Dual lock is similar to Velcro, however both sides are the same, no hook and loop, and when the two halves are pressed together they form a semi-rigid and sturdy connection. This allows the user to temporarily attach components such as motors to the base plate. It also plays a pivotal role in building the robot in the capstone project. Based on your feedback, we have modified some older parts in the kit as well. First, the included 330 ohm and 10k ohm resistors now have thicker leads while maintaining the same wattage, making them more durable so that they can be used over and over again. Another upgrade to a veteran component is one we're really excited about. After searching far and wide with no luck, we have had our own custom buttons made to have straight legs designed to be more breadboard friendly. To allow for the new components, some older parts had to be omitted. Here are parts from the previous version, v3.3, that are no longer included in the SIK. We have the relay, the shift register, the flex sensor, the soft potentiometer, transistor, diodes, and DC motor. While it's never easy deciding which parts to include and which to omit, we feel this new selection of parts offers more variety in the types of projects that can be made while still offering a wide range of concepts taught using those parts. Components that have not been affected by the revision and are remaining the same between v3.3 and v4 include the LED variety pack, an RGB LED, a photoresistor, potentiometer, servo motor, buzzer, TMP36 temperature sensor, and an LCD. Last but not least, we have a new case for the SIK. The previous case was compartmentalized to fit specific parts in each compartment. The new case is roomier and is a great place to store electronic components when they're not in use. The case can also be used as an enclosure for most any project you can think of. As with previous versions, we will be selling both a Redboard and an Arduino Uno version of the kit. The main difference between the two being the microcontroller included. To make shipping the Uno version to our international customers lighter on the wallet, the kit is shipped in a classic SparkFun red box and the booklet is omitted to reduce the shipping weight. Other than that, the two kits are identical. Users purchasing the Uno version will still have access to the PDF of the print guide as well as access to the online digital guide, which caters to both versions of the kit. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions about the new version of the SIK, feel free to reach us on any of our channels, tech support, call us, or reach out to our education sales team.